You know, young scientists, looking at all the creatures, all your animals, when you watch them and observe them, you can learn a lot about them. That's part of the scientific method too. This is Mr. Hopper. You can sort of decide and learn what types of plants he likes to eat, what he likes to do spending his time. He sure likes to be in the garden, that's for sure. Make sure that we all get out of the house. I think sometimes we spend way too much time inside instead of coming outside and enjoying nature and the created world. So you enjoy watching Mr. Hopper just a little bit today.